Breaking news, Hong Kong has just raised its highest storm alert, the Typhoon Signal No.10. This is the most severe warning in the city's system. A T10 means hurricane-force winds are already battering the region, with sustained speeds of over 118 kilometers per hour and gusts reaching more than 220 kilometers per hour. Public transport shuts down, businesses close, and millions are urged to stay indoors. Flying debris, flooding, and widespread damage are expected. Fun fact, since the system began in 1946, only around 17 storms have ever reached T10 status. One of the deadliest, Typhoon Wanda in 1962, left over 130 people dead and tens of thousands homeless in Hong Kong. Typhoon signals like T10 remind us how powerful nature can be. Stay safe, stay informed, and subscribe for more updates on extreme weather around the world.